Hey everyone, this is Rosie, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the October 2019 Swoon Sewing Box. This is the second one, and all I've done so far is take off the label. Now, if you do not want to know what's in this box, then you need to turn the video off right now, because this is a spoiler alert. So, let's get started. Okay, here we go. Ooh, some interesting looking things in here. Okay, as usual, she gives you a card that tells you what everything is. And here is the Swoon Lola pattern. It's the domed handbag by Swoon. I've made a couple of these. It's a really nice bag, and I've seen people do some very interesting things with it. Some nice modifications. Okay, and this appears to be a marking pen. It says that it's the ultimate marking pencil. So the card says that this is the white ultimate marking pencil. Will smoothly mark your pattern pieces and placements on dark fabric. Then you can iron it off when your project is done. Very good. That will be useful. Ooh, I can actually use one of these. Mine is so old that I actually needed to replace it. So this is great. It's a 45mm rotary cutter from Kai. I've heard good things about Kai, but I haven't had any yet. And this is really interesting. Oh, wow. This is for the pattern. So this is the shape of the Lola bag. And this would be a piece of material for both the front and the back. And it's got all these like little textile pieces glued onto it. That is going to be actually really cool to make. So that's really interesting. I like that. And then we have this little small bag, and I have a feeling, based on what's already in here, what might be in this bag. Oh wow, okay, so a bunch of really nice hardware to go with the bag. That is actually very cool. I like that quite a lot. So that's it for the box, but I really like the way everything coordinates here because she gives you the hardware and these great pieces for the front and back of the Lola bag, and a pencil that will mark on dark fabric. So this is a great box, and of course the much needed rotary cutter that I need. I'm sure that's going to come in handy when I'm working on this also. And there you go. That is the October 2019 Swoon Sewing Box.